Today, the market sentiment is moderately positive. The ruble made another round of a steep decline on Wednesday. Later in the day, the situation improved and the ruble rebounded from a strong resistance level. An important economic release is expected today in the US. At 12:30 GMT, markets are waiting for a weekly jobs report. Investors would like to see the dynamics of long-term unemployment. The decline in unemployment rate will confirm a steady recovery of the US economy. Yesterday's report showed a drop in the US oil inventories to 3.5 million barrels, which is 250% more against the forecast of 1.4 million barrels. On the other hand, gasoline stocks rose more than expected by 1.4 million barrels. In the morning session, oil prices moved moderately lower by 0.3%. Brent quote settled at $62.90 per barrel. The price is expected to stay in the range of $62 to $64 a barrel. North American crude was trading at $59.50 on Thursday morning. The price range for WTI is seen between $58.50 and $61 a barrel. According to analysts, the downtrend on the ruble has reached its peak point. The risk of the military conflict in Donbass has already been evaluated by market participants. So the next downward cycle on the ruble may be caused by an actual start of large-scale military actions. Oil is trading at high levels and will support the ruble unless the geopolitical situation gets worse. Yesterday, the ruble depreciated to the level of 78 against the greenback. On Thursday, it managed to edge higher to 76.90. The dollar-ruble pair is expected to trade in the channel between 76 and 78 rubles per dollar. On Wednesday, the euro retreated against the ruble and reached the mark of 92.70. Today, the ruble continues to regain ground against all other majors. As a result, the euro versus the ruble pair moved back to the area of 91.40. It is forecast to trade in the range of 90 to 92.50 rubles per euro. On Wednesday, the ruble reached its 5-month low. However, it managed to return to green by the end of the trading session. The reason for a reversal was a decline in the activity of the dollar bulls, as well as large volumes of export earnings to sell at the level of 78 rubles per dollar. This factor helped stop the pressure on the ruble and forced the closure of some of the long intraday positions. What's more, the International Monetary Fund raised its forecast for the economic growth in Russia to 3.8%. The same growth is expected in 2022, which is higher than the previous estimates. This outlook encourages the ruble traders and gives hope for positive dynamics of the Russian currency. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.